This is the production stop for my crosscut table for my track saw. And I believe it's the best production stop ever made, and Kreg should be commended for its hard work it did on this. But on my crosscut table, the Springboard, I am able to make cuts without having to lift the track or move the saw between cuts. And this part here was a little too tall for me, and I wanted to modify this so I could easily go up against the production stop with my plywood and then lift it just a little bit to clear it. And I didn't need all this. You know, that might be fine if you're using really thick stock or whatever, but I just didn't need it. So what I did was I bought another one of these and I modified it, and I cut it off, and I call it the lowrider, and it didn't affect the strength at all. But what it's going to allow me to do is to pick up my sheet good stock after I cut it and easily slide it over the top by just picking it up a little bit. So that's the mod I made for the Kreg production stop, and I just wanted to give you a heads up on that.